deals, Milwaukee deals. Big shout out to Christopher and Deal Team 6. They've been posting a lot of deals. Alright, so we got the Quick Lock string trimmer blower combo kit with an edger attachment. 3-tool combo kit. So this one, it's actually a pretty dang good deal. You're getting the string trimmer, the blower, the attachment, the edger attachment, 8-amp-hour battery starter kit, $389. All right, so let's see. I'm gonna have to switch the screen here for you guys because I'm not a professional YouTuber yet. I'm trying to get there. All right, so you got M18 or M12 fuel. Brushless, cordless 4-in-1 installation driver, 3/8 driver kit. So this one's a hidden deal at the special buy of the day. I did not see this in my special buy of the day, but I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. So you do have the installation driver kit plus the ratchet. That's a really good deal. So $179. That's how much just the installation driver cost by itself, not even with the kit. So that's a dang good deal on that one. That one does end tonight. All right, so the other one, the third one that we have, this is another hidden special buy of the day. So it's the M18 fuel, brushless, cordless hacksaw, reciprocating saw, and the 3/8 ratchet. So this one, I believe we've seen this before, but still, guys, this is a killer deal. If you guys want this fuel reciprocating saw and the ratchet, that's a dang good deal. $149, guys, and $149. I'll leave you guys all these links down below in the description section of this video. Big shout out to Deal Team 6 at the Facebooks for posting all these deals. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And I'll see you guys on the next one.